If you want to change the notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy phone, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. By default, Samsung only lets you pick from its built-in notification sounds. First, open the app drawer and tap the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Vibration. Next, tap Notification Sound. Here you'll see Samsung's default notification categories, such as Galaxy, Calm, Fun, Retro, and more. You can select any of these built-in sounds. And that's it. You've successfully changed the notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy. If you want to use your own custom sound or a downloaded tone, please comment below, and I'll make another video on how to set a custom notification tone on any Samsung phone from a downloaded tone, an MP3 file, or any other audio file from the device.